Okay, Lauren.
Yeah!
Woo!
That shit.
Yay, Lauren.
Good work, Lauren.
Lauren's doing nose-ups.
Don't make her laugh.
You up.
That was great, Lauren. Yay. Somebody else real quick. I'm going to run out of battery power. Okay, here comes Curtis. Woo!
This.
He's jumping back down on his sensitive ankle. Be careful. Awesome.
But I couldn't even do it.
Nice.
I couldn't do it for
Go, Curtis.
Oh, yay. All right, come on.
Your hair just grew an inch.
Okay, here's Nathan.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
You got 3, man.
Yeah, come on, man. Oh.
Yay, Nathan.
Red shoelace wearing.
Okay, y'all hurry.
I love it. Is it getting better? Definitely getting a better.
Nathan Burrows.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You're getting a better sense
Woo!
of the.
It's going for chest ups.
Yeah, Nathan, I mean, I think that Nathan's kind of showing off.
Yeah, he's showing off a little bit. He didn't want to come out. He's
way up there. You just want to keep it. Once you get to about here, you just have to keep your elbows.
yay, Nathan.
You want to, you want to think about.
Woo!
All right, Nathan. You want to take
Yeah, I think he just stopped on his own.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Jason.
Yeah, Jason wants to get his face on here. There's the difference.
He was asking
His face
us
on
today why we didn't
Facebook.
do him that way. I'm like, 'cause you hit your head.
Yeah, I know.
He's not hitting his head.
I know, you get hurt to it.
Oh man, that just makes my muscles hurt. Just seeing him do this.
All right.
Awesome. Yeah, that's